Hi, I'm Yaz Malik. In this video, I will teach you how to create a very targeted Facebook ad campaign from scratch. So let us start. To get to your ad manager, you can click on this drop down here and manage ads or create new ad if you're going to create the ad from scratch. It will show you this screen. An ad campaign has three levels: campaign or objective level, ad set level, and ads level. We will get into the details in a little while. So let us pick an objective from our ad campaign. Facebook have listed all the objective types under these three categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Objective types under awareness, as it sounds like, are for increasing your brand awareness or increasing your post or page reach. Simple as that. The first option under the consideration is traffic, which is used to take the visitor to your website in simple words. Then we have the engagement type ads, which will help in increasing the engagement of your posts, which can be in form of comments or likes or maybe shares. After that we have app install and video ads. I don't think this needs any further explanation. The last one under consideration is my favorite. It's called the lead generation ad type. You can use this one to generate leads, which can be used to either get email or any other contact information of your potential customer. So now let's move on to the conversion type ads. The first option is conversions. This type of ads are used to increase conversions, which can be in form of email signups or any other form needed to fill a specific objective or an action. Ads like this require Facebook pixel to be added, so the conversion can be tracked. Then we have the product catalog sale. This ad helps you pull the entire catalog from your web store and helps in sales. Then there is the store visits, if you want to increase the visitors to your store. Okay, so let's begin with the traffic type ad, which is the most commonly used ad type. So click traffic and fill in the name of your campaign. Let's name it test website traffic. And click continue. Here you see the first option is either you want to generate traffic to your website or an app. So we will stick with the website or messenger option. The second section is audience. In this section you can create a new audience and save it for future use, or you can select from the drop down if you have already a custom audience created. You can do that by clicking on this create new custom audience and then pick the type you want. We will leave it like this for now, and let's fill in our ad audience demographics and targeting. Okay, so first option here is location. You can choose either you want to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling in this location. Then you just type in the location you want to target. It can be the country name or the city. You can refine it as much as you can to reach highly targeted audience. So I will select to target everyone in this location option and add 2 to 3 countries. Let's say Canada, United Kingdom, and United Arab Emirates. So just like this, you can pick your target country or city. Next is selecting the age group of your audience. By that I mean you can define which age group should see your ads only. So let's go with 22 to 40 years of age. After that you can select to which gender should this ad be shown to. You can go with both men and women or any one of them. So let me just select men only for this test campaign. Then we have the language option. You can also target people speaking a specific language. I'm going to select English. Okay, so the next is detailed targeting. Detailed targeting is the most important part of your ad campaign. Here you can add demographic, interest and behavior of people you want to target. Just click on browse and there are multiple options. I suggest that browse them and get an idea of what are the possible targeting you can do here. So I'm selecting random targeting like generation, let's say millennials, interested in could be anything, and then relationship status is, let's say, engaged. You can be really specific by targeting income range, education, industry, and so many other options. This is why I love Facebook's ad targeting. It is the best available online. If you want to be really precise about an interest, you can simply type it, like let's say cars. Let me clear it up a little so it will make sense. Okay, so now I'm targeting millennials who are engaged and have interest in cars and automobiles. Then we have this option to exclude people with certain interest or behavior. So I'm going to exclude people from my list who have interest in motorcycles. I can even further narrow down my audience by clicking narrow audience and adding one more interest, let's say cruise. So my audience targeting is that engaged millennials who like cars and cruise but don't like motorcycles. You see how specific we can get here in our targeting. Okay, so next option is connection type. You can set a connection with one of your page or app in targeting your ad campaign. Here are the options. If you're adding a fan page as connections, your ad should only be shown to people who like your page, friends of people who like your page, exclude people who like your page. So you can select anyone which you prefer. So let me select my fan page. Here it is. And I want my ad to be shown to people who haven't liked my page. Means I am excluding those who already like my page. Then you can save this audience if you want to use this same targeting in future. Alright, then we have the placement section. I normally go with the Facebook recommended, but as per your requirement you can edit the placement as well. Here you can choose which device type should see your ads and on what Facebook platforms should the ad be displayed, like Facebook, Instagram and Audience Network. You can even select within Facebook where you want or don't want your ad to be shown, like newsfeed, sidebar, instant articles and in-stream videos. Okay, so in the advanced options you can also target specific mobile devices with their OS versions or exclude categories for audience networks where you don't want to show your ads. Next is the budget and schedule section. Here you select your daily or lifetime budget for your ad campaign. You can change it from 20 to whatever you're willing to pay for the campaign. After that, you can schedule your ads to either continuously run from today or manually select a start and end date and time. Then we have the optimization for ad delivery. Since we're using this ad to drive traffic to our website, I strongly suggest keep it for link clicks. But if your requirements are different, you can set one of these options. After that, we have bid amount. Recommended is good enough if you ask me, but you can of course choose an amount yourself, what you're willing to pay for each click. Then within the delivery type, you can go with standard, which will show your ads throughout your selected schedule. Or you can go with the accelerated, which shows your ads as quickly as possible. Lastly, you just have to name your ad set you just planned and click continue. Now here we are in the third and final section of our ad campaign, where we are going to select our ad format, media and ad copy. So you can either create a new ad, which we will do now in a minute, or you can select an existing post from your fan page. To do that, you click this drop down to select your fan page, and then below that, from the drop down, you can select the post you want to promote. Click review order and you're done. That's it. Okay, so now back to creating the new ad. Here are the few options you can utilize: carousel ad, single image ad, single video ad, slideshow ad and canvas ad. In carousel ad, you can create an ad with 2 or more scrollable images or videos. In single image ad, you can create up to 6 ads with 1 image each and no extra cost. In single video ad, you can create an ad out of a video. In slideshow ad, you can create a looping video ad with 10 images. Lastly, if you select canvas, you can create an immersive ad by combining videos and images. I'm going to go with a single image ad. I strongly suggest that you use your own well-designed ad image. If not, you can of course search and select one from free stock images provided by Facebook. So let's say I will search for digital marketing and find something related. Okay, there are some good options, but I guess I will go with the social icons one. So click on it and hit done. Oh wait, okay, got it now. Now select your fan page. This is what your ad looks like for now. Now fill in the URL where you want the traffic to go to once clicked on the ad. Let me do it again. Okay, fixed now. It will automatically grab the title and other information from the URL you just added. Now let's fill in the headline. Which will show up here. And then add text, which will show up above the ad image. Then we have the call to action button, which is optional. You can choose the one you want or leave it like it is. Newsfeed link description will show up below the headline in the ad. Then there is display link. You can leave it blank or put in your website's URL. It will show up below the ad link description. Okay, great, all done. Now let's take a look at ad preview in different Facebook areas. Here's the default newsfeed preview which we have been watching. Then there's the mobile newsfeed preview. Then here's the feature phone preview, instant article preview, and desktop right column preview. So once everything is finalized, click review order and your ad is submitted for review. Great, you have successfully created your first Facebook ad. Now let's head to the ads manager so I can show you how you can edit your ad sets and ads after you have created them. So click on your ad campaign name. Here's the ad set level. As you can see here, you can make multiple ad sets with different targeting. For example, if you want to create one ad set for United States and a separate one for United Kingdom, you can do it by creating one more ad set here, the same way we just did a few minutes ago. If you go further deep in the ad set, you will be able to see the ad you created. And the same way you can create multiple ads to see which one performs better under an ad set by clicking on create ad. So back to ad set. To edit the ad set, you can hover your mouse here and click edit ad set. Here you can edit anything related to targeting and audience. And just like that, you can do the same for your ads by clicking edit ad. Once you are done editing, click Save and Close. Like I mentioned before, you can click on Create Ad and create as many ads within the ad set to test which one performs better, the same way we created our ad. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question related to SEO, social media marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing, or content planning, simply ask me on Facebook or Twitter by using this hashtag AskAyaz, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to like and share this video. See ya!